There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I don't know if I made a video of this already, but I got a awfully big hammer. Got this on the off a friend of mine who gave it to me, sold it to me. Got this, and I got this hammer, which is made by Honey. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what brand it is, but if you could see that, I'm guessing it's a body hammer. I don't know. No, I didn't start collecting hammers. It was something that came to me. I didn't ask for it. I didn't go hunting for it, so it just came to me. So yeah, I got 2 hammers to add to the ever-growing hammer collection of probably 20 hammers. I don't have 450. I mean, maybe one day I will, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this tiny little hammer video.